Alright, so today we're going to learn how to take your crusty old engine bay, take the bolts like this, and so to do this we only need a few things. We need these are M10 1x25 I believe, and they're metric, so if you go to your local hardware store you can just look up that. This is the old one, see how like nasty and crusty that is. These are new stainless steel. If you don't know what size you have, you can take it out, take the bolt out or the nut out and check with one of these. This just tells you the threads. And then all you need is a 10 mil and an Allen key if you get the dress up hardware like I did. The dress up hardware, I just bought 10 of these because I took the same size for the headlights and Alright, we got them all on. Get the headlights on both sides, the fenders all the way up. I got the Strut tire bolts there. Apparently I bought 8 of these and 6 of them were the wrong size, so I can't do this side just yet to finish it off. Get the fenders on this side finished. Next thing we're going to do is the radiator bracket there and the valve cover bolts too.